Hey babes, so I've seen this question asked a few times. It might already be answered, but I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how it's done. This is if you want to grab a list of every single thing that you are wearing on your avatar. This will mainly apply to bloggers who want to be able to easily credit things without needing to write each thing down one by one. This is on the Firestorm viewer. It might work on the Second Life one. I'm not sure. I don't use that one specifically. But it's super simple. You just right click on your avatar. You go to Appearance and then Edit Outfit. And then you want to click the back button. Make sure the Wearing tab is selected. And then you're going to click here and click Copy Outfit List to Clipboard. And then open up whatever you're going to type in and just paste it in there. And there you go. It's every single thing that's on your avatar. Quick and easy. I hope that helps.